Hi Pisces, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing an in-depth love read for you. Pisces, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's see, Pisces, what's going on with you, what's going on with your person, and what action we can expect in this connection now. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Pisces and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Pisces, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Pisces, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Pisces, I'll be setting down two sets of cards here. One side will be for you, one side will be for your person, and in the center I'll have your dialogue message cards and your action cards. For me, this is person A and this is person B. Okay. If this is your storyline, Pisces, you'll know which side you resonate best with. And action for person A and action for person B. Bottom of my deck, I have the Nine of Swords, Pisces. Somebody is still very stressed out. Not being able to sleep at night, having sleepless nights. Something has blown up, in a soulmate connection. From what I see, the Four of Wands, this is your feelings right now. Feeling like you lost that chance for a happily ever after, wanting that equal partnership, equal give and take. But there has been a tower moment where maybe some decision had to be made and maybe that was not made. So a bit of unrest here. So Pisces, what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify the rest of the cards. Okay. All right. So Pisces and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? And Pisces, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. One more. All right. And Pisces, I'm going to take a few more from another deck. Pisces and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other, what would that be? Right, good to go, Pisces. Let's start our reading. The first card here says, I have commitment issues. Yes, this could be person A, I feel, who feels they've lost their chance for a commitment now, because in the past I think they were trying to be a bit of a dictator. It was always their way or the highway. Maybe they were giving, but giving very little or giving to more than one. They were breadcrumbing their partner. Only because they didn't want to commit. Waiting on you to forgive me, I promise I can change. Why do you stay away when they treat you so badly? You made me realize I had flaws. I'm trying to do better now. Somebody is trying to change and become a better person. I feared you were more obsessed with me rather than in love, and it felt suffocating sometimes. I mean, all one person was doing is showing love, and the other person, because they have commitment issues, they take it as obsession or, basically trying to find excuses so they don't look bad, and the other person is, trying to suffocate them. They keep saying you're coming back, but you're not here yet. Are you coming back? I loved you more than I loved myself, and then I realized I didn't love myself. That's the reason they were not coming back till now, Pisces. I know we tarot readers have been probably promising you they're coming back, they're coming. Now, the whole point is this time was required for maybe one person to realize that they were making themselves small in a connection, taking breadcrumbs from their person. That self-worth, that self-confidence had to come back. And this person had to realize that their breadcrumbing or their trying to always be the top guy or the top gun here is going to get them some bad karma. And that's not the way to behave. So let's start with an angel blessing card, Pisces. Let's see what my angels have for my Pisces gang. A blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. And then we'll clarify these cards and see if we can expect any action now. Pisces and their person spirit. If they could say something to each other, what would that be? Pisces, wise decision. See, even if you feel things have not happened or they're not back or when are they coming back, I think whatever decision has been made is the correct one. Somebody, I think, has found themselves their own self-worth, and person A also has to now make some wise decisions for their future. This kind of behavior is only going to attract bad karma for them, right? So yes, wise decisions. Okay, so let's start with side A. Pisces, you could be on either side. I'm not taking the responsibility for that. You would know which side you resonate best with, okay? So for person A, they have the Four of Wands in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? Four of Wands in reverse. Why is the Four of Wands in reverse? Okay. And the Six of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles. I think this person didn't want commitment. I think they were too stressed out at that point because maybe they thought their partner expected them to maybe commit to them or solidify this connection. I think they went quiet on person B. They breadcrumbed, yes. Maybe they were giving to more than one. They wanted a choice of lovers, maybe. I don't know. They were not looking for one stable connection. Just give me 1 second, Pisces. My battery seems to be complaining. Let me put this back. Okay, done. So give me one more card, Spirit, for the Six of Pentacles. Why are they feeling like that? They feel because of the choices that they've made, now they've lost their chance, but now they do want to have equal give and take. They are looking now, out of all the choices I think that they maybe had or they were trying to, decide upon, I think now they're ready. I think they're ready with knowing that one person. But somehow I think they're a bit afraid because they've already rejected this person in the past. What happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person A to be feeling this way? Five of Swords. There was a fight or there was a, that Five of Swords is somebody who likes to have the last laugh, who like to give very little. They were probably giving breadcrumbs, like I said, because that was their power control. It's my way or the highway, and I'm the boss, and I will tell you, where, when and what. They thought that is going to keep them happy if they could kind of control the way the situation would go. But whatever said and done, this person was, I think, in their page energy. They never gave any commitment. They never accepted the cup of love, and I think they lost their chance. Judgment in reverse. What's this Judgment in reverse, Spirit? Oh, all right. I think this person B, who was probably the Queen of Cups, who was always giving to this connection, decided that, I don't feel strong in this connection. So they watched and waited for some time and finally made a judgment call, made a wise decision for themselves to kind of not give person A another chance here. They decided to move along, leave all these troubled times or connection behind and move on to a happier place for themselves. So now this person is now feeling that very confused because now I guess there's no conversation between the two of you. They feel I've lost my chance. Nobody is really, moving towards the other person. There's a blockage that has come. That's what happens, person A, if you take, your loving partner for granted. So how does person A now feel about the connection? The Wheel of Fortune in reverse. They feel, oh my God, things have really stopped between the two of us. I still have so much passion for person B, but things have stagnated. This person is my wish fulfillment. I can't even move towards them now. All I can do is wait. I can wait for things maybe to turn around. um, Page of Pentacles. Yes, this person desperately wants to restart here, Pisces. They have recognized this connection to be a soulmate connection. They know this is the person. Person B is my person. They do want to come forward and approach person B with a stable offer. They're a bit afraid now because they feel person B is not in that same loving, kind energy. They feel a sword may greet them if they do go forward, because person B has made wise choices for their own life and is going to be asking questions now. But they are expecting person B to be in protective mode. What else, Spirit? This person is looking at their future now, and they see person B in their future, knowing that person B can make them happy, but they feel very stuck at the moment. Why is that, Spirit? Why is that? Because they were holding back till now. But where person B is concerned, they do want to offer a fresh, brand new beginning. They want to restart, re-begin, but they know that their behavior in the past of holding back and wanting to be, single or free or not committed is going to be a detriment for them returning now, because they feel person B is now going to ask them, now what are you doing coming back? You wanted to be free, so anyway, so let's see person B, what's really going on here. The Tower, they have the Tower. Why is that, Spirit? And the Lovers, why is the Tower here? Okay, so they had a bit of a shock, I think. Person A did come towards them, romancing them, but they started expecting long term, and that kind of didn't work out. Yes, this person came in all romantic and exciting and fun loving, and person B probably thought, this is my knight in shining armor, this is the person I'm going to settle down with, this is the love of my life, but soon realized that this is not a new beginning. This has to be shut down, because that investment that person B was expecting was not done. It was only wasted time, wasted energy, no investment put, and that shocked person B, because they really thought that this is it. The Lovers. Yes, I think this person never made that decision, never made that choice. Person A didn't make that decision, and person B lost hope. They lost hope that I will ever be treated or respected like the Empress I am. There is no growth to be had here. It's just maybe a sexual connection or something, and here I was hoping that it would go the long haul. So, person B, what happened in the recent past for you to feel this bad? 3 of Wands. I think person B waited. They really, really waited for a long time for that decision to be made. 2 of Swords in reverse. Person B really waited for a long time that one day that decision will be made, but that offer never came, Pisces. That offer of love, that apology never came. 2 of Swords in reverse. 2 of Swords in reverse. Yes, somebody was waiting for that choice to be made, that decision to be made, that, one day we are going to be happily ever after, 10 of Cups, we'll probably get married and be together. And instead, they got somebody who was very flighty. They got somebody who just kind of dipped in and out of their life, who was rash, who was immature. So now how does person B feel about this connection, Spirit? 6 of Swords in reverse and the 8 of Pentacles in reverse. Why is the 6 of Swords in reverse? As to how person B views this connection. Person B says this connection is full of conflict even now. I've had enough of my sleepless nights. This is the same card which was the overall energy. Every time, I think about this person, I can't sleep at night. I'm stressed, I'm worried. And this connection has left me with a lot of bad memories. So to even think of going back stresses me out now. I'm making a choice. I'm not going to wait any longer. I'm going to now be on that path to heal myself, heal my broken heart. I think person B is deciding not to put in any more effort or work towards this connection. They want what they want. They want a balanced connection. They want equal give and take without the toxicity, without that devil energy coming in the middle of this connection. So let's see now, person A, will you take any action since you also want the same thing now? They also have the same card in their feelings. They want to have that equal give and take, and that's exactly the same card for person B. They also want to have a balanced connection, but let's see. Person A, any action from your end? Oh yes, Ace of Pentacles. Second time round, Pisces. This person is ready to offer a stable, brand new beginning now. So will you offer it, or is it only in your thoughts, Pisces? Sorry, person 1, A. Ace of Pentacles. Why is that a action? Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles. Here's the Ace of Cups. My God, this person really has decided now that they want person B like crazy. They want to come back, be the spouse, be that person who's going to now take charge, look after this connection. Then why do they have the 10 of Wands, Spirit? Why are they stressed out about this? Why is the 10 of Wands here in the middle of all these three beautiful cards? Yeah, now they don't know what work to put in. But they feel now if I come back, I'll have to do so much work to regain the trust of my person. They'll have to start from scratch. And they're getting overburdened, overwhelmed by the thought that, yes, I want this. I want this Ace of Pentacles. I want to show up now in the correct light. I do have a lot of love. 2 cards, aces together, right? But the feeling a little overwhelmed with the how to begin. How to begin to win person B back. So person B, will you take any action towards them? Knight of Cups. Why is that an action? Knight of Cups, Knight of action. All right. Person B, I hope you don't have new suitors that you're thinking about. Ace, Knight of Cups and King of Cups with the Wheel of Fortune. You are already, I think, keeping it to yourself that you're ready for new love here. One more. Yeah, with that, what person B is telling me, I have no choice. This tower, according to me, has already erupted. It erupted right here, right for them. It erupted. It's already disintegrated, and I was made to feel like a loser. So the only thing I can see is now move on. Maybe person B is getting a lot of offers now. A King of Cups, King of... So person A better rush quickly. Maybe that's why they're stressed out. Energetically, they're feeling person B moving on. So person A, sorry, you better start moving quickly. Your person B is ready for new love here. See, somebody is walking away. So I think energetically, person A is already feeling the change. This is for person A. They are now realizing how much love they have. They want this new beginning, but they're overwhelmed because now they don't know what work to put in. Where person B is concerned, they are, I think, already moving on now, not waiting around, transforming their life in a very big way. So let's see what happens. Maybe person A will catch up to them, but if not, I think person B has full right to, choose other options if they need to. So that's all I have for you, Pisces. Take care, love and light. Namaste.